It's Claudia, bitch.
Me and my friends riding round in the Benz.
Get in, loser.
Celine, Chanel, Dior, I've got millions of fans. And when we get to the club, red carpet bottles up, I hit the dance floor and the DJ knows my name.
Fame.
Everybody wants to be me. Yeah. They don't know what it's like, but they know it's really nice to be me. Yeah. People tell me on the street that everybody wants to be me. Hot, rich and famous, who could blame us? Hot, rich and famous, famous. Hot, rich and famous, who could blame us? Hot, rich and famous, everybody wants to be me. The best of everything, yeah, that's what I got.
Michael Kors? No way.
I'm not demanding, I just know what I want.
Michael Kors is for peasants.
There's a whole line of guys, paparazzi flashing lights. Everywhere I go, my bodyguard has to know.
I know.
Everybody wants to be me. Yeah. They don't know what it's like, but they know it's really nice to be me. Yeah. People tell me on the street that everybody wants to be me. Hot, rich and famous, who could blame us? Hot, rich and famous,
Oh my god.
famous. Hot, rich and famous, who could blame us? Hot, rich and famous, everybody wants to be me. Do I follow love or do I follow my heart?
You all think that just because I'm super hot and rich, and because I drive an Audi, that my life must be perfect. But you have no idea.
Everybody wants to be me. Yeah. They don't know what it's like, they just know it's really nice to be me. Yeah. I get everything for free. Yeah. Everybody wants to be me. Yeah. They don't know what it's like, they just know it's really nice to be me. Yeah. People tell me on the street that everybody wants to be me. Hot, rich and famous, who could blame us? Hot, rich and famous, everybody famous. Hot, rich and famous,
No one gets it.
blame us.
Right?
Rich and famous, everybody wants to be me.
Peasants.